Hi, my name is Charles Roberts. I'm the president of Your Castle Real Estate, which is the largest residential real estate brokerage in the state of Colorado. What I want to talk to you today about is a topic that many people bring up to me, which is home affordability. And I hear over and over again that homes are unaffordable in Metro Denver. And the fact is that is simply wrong. How do I know that? We have more buyers than sellers. Yes, home prices have gone up and wages haven't kept up, but at this point in time, we still have a lot more buyers than sellers, meaning somehow they're affording to buy the homes. What I'm going to do is show you a metric we put together with a lot of effort and show you why that's the case. What we did is for every year starting in 1971, we compared the average home price in Metro Denver to the average worker's wage and the average interest rate during that period of time to get a debt-to-income ratio for every year. And what it means is the lower the debt-to-income ratio, the more affordable homes are, and the higher the opposite. So in the 70s, you had about a 50% DTI. And if you're a lender or have done a loan, you've heard of this metric. It meant about half of the average person's home buyer's wage goes to buying a home. What happened in the 80s? Interest rates skyrocketed, and it took 80, 90, even 100% of the average worker's wages to buy a home. And of course, people didn't buy homes. That's a bubble, and that's exactly what happened. Unaffordable. Over time, interest rates go down, and we have this 15 or so year period coming into 20 years of about 50% DTI, and that was the long-term average where homes were about right. Now, let's talk about recent history. We have a downturn in our market. Prices go down 25%, and you know what happens? Homes become more affordable. And this is what happened in 2008. Homes became the most affordable they had been in recorded history. And they went up a little bit, and even at 2012, it took just about 30% of the average worker's income to buy a home. So what do you hear all the time? You hear that homes are unaffordable in Denver and that you can't buy here. And what you hear is that homes are much less affordable than they were 5 years ago. And you know what? That's exactly right. What happened is, as the prices have gone up, homes have become much less affordable. But the context here is that what you don't hear is that our long-term average is about where we are now. All I'm doing is explaining how and why people are still buying homes. When we get to this point, if we ever did, clearly homes would be unaffordable. So where's the future? What's going to happen? My best guess, with our population increasing about 50,000 a year, people want to live here. They tend to be younger, millennials, professionals who want to buy homes. And with our lack of construction, especially in any sort of low-end affordable, I think that supply is going to continue to not keep up with the demand. And I'm guessing that homes are going to become unaffordable or move towards that. I think prices are going to continue to go up, and clearly wages aren't going to keep up. When will that happen? I don't know. But I do think this will go up and up and up to some point in the next few years, at some point, where homes become unaffordable such that they're going to have to start to correct. That will probably happen in the future. But the next time somebody tells you that homes in Denver are unaffordable, look at this data. Even better, contact us. We have lots and lots of agents. We teach them. They understand these metrics. They want to talk to you about it to help you make decisions. Come anytime to our free classes at yourcastle.com. Thanks very much.